Hello, I'm Shani, your Sinhala teacher, and in this video, you are going to learn how to talk about vocabulary related to the house. First, we have ගෙදර, house or home. ගෙදර. First, let's talk about things in the living room. 사례 is the living room. 사례. පුටුව, chair. පුටුව. μέση, table. μέση. දොර, door. දොර. ජනේලෙ, window. ජනේලෙ. racket, shelf. racket. We use these words in English, and don't forget to add the word eka after English nouns. Sofa is sofa eka. Television is TV eka. Next, let's go to the bedroom. The word for the room is kamare, but the bedroom is nidana kamare, or we casually say nidiyana kamare. In the bedroom, we have and the bed and the almariya, wardrobe. almariya. kannadiya, the mirror. kannadiya. ලාච්චුව, the drawer. ලාච්චුව. Next, let's go to the kitchen. කුස්සිය, the kitchen. කුස්සිය. පිඟාන, the plate. පිඟාන. කෝප්පෙ, the cup or the mug. හැන්ද, the spoon. හැන්ද. ගෑරුප්පුව, the fork. ගෑරුප්පුව. පිහිය, the knife. පිහිය. gas cylinder. gas cylinder. The gas cylinder. gas cylinder. And we have some words we normally use, the English word. Words like tap eka, fridge eka, microwave eka, oven eka, pan eka, cupboard eka, etc. Next, let's go to the bathroom, but we don't have a lot of words that we use in Sinhala related to the bathroom. So these two are the most common Sinhala words that are related to the bathroom. Sabang, soap. Sabang, and tuwaya, the towel. Tuwaya. And we use these words in English. Shampoo, toothpaste, brush eka, shower eka, sink eka, rice eka. Let's see some more house-related vocabulary. Padipela, stairs. Padipela. Wahale, roof. Wahale. Bima, floor. Bima. Bittiya, wall. Bittiya. But the wall around the garden is tape. Tape. Bangkua, the bench. Bangkua. Gatetua, the gate. Gatetua. That's all for this video. If you like to learn the Sinhala language with a structured course and practice your language skills, contact me through lingocrown@gmail.com. එහෙනම් ඊළඟ වීඩියෝ එකෙන් හම්බෙමු. Bye bye!